Welcome to Freckles.
Hello.
I have my special guest here again today.
Hello, Peter.
Bells. And we are going to look today at
Happiness monsters, crazy creatures.
crazy fun thought creatures.
Yeah.
So yeah, little creatures. It's completely about your imagination today, so you don't need anything other than pencils, or you don't even need pencils. You definitely need some paper.
Definitely.
You need some colouring pens. We've got some colouring pens.
Or you could not, but it's mainly you can.
You can use whatever you like, can't you?
Yeah, really. Basically.
You could even make them. You don't even have to draw them. You could make them, whatever you want. We're here to inspire you today.
We're here to inspire you. It's not our job to say copy down ours. Because we're here to inspire you, because it wouldn't be your drawing if we were just saying copy down.
Yeah, and also because it's about emotions, really it's only what you think. You can't go wrong because it's what you think. So it's how it feels for you. So there you go. So we're talking about emotions, and we were trying to think, right, what emotions do we want to draw? What kind of things, what are you thinking of, Isabel? What's the first emotion that comes?
Happiness.
Happiness, great one. So we could do happiness to start with. A happiness creature. So a little creature that is, when you feel happy, this little creature is taken over.
I have an idea of inspiration.
Go on.
Think when you're happy, you can think inside your body, and you can think there's little creatures for everything. Try and copy down that creature, or you can make up your own. But you copy down that creature.
So that creature is in.
Face with an eyes and craziness.
Right, let's go for it.
Yeah.
Let's start. What colours do we think of happiness? Can I jump straight in and go with the yellow? That's going to be that I'm feeling yellow for I don't know why. It's where I'm going. Maybe sunshine. I don't know.
In fact,
I do like sunshine. It does make me happy.
Mm-hmm. I also like sunshine because sunshine comes at my birthday usually.
Yeah.
And also yellow's my favourite colour.
So do you want the yellow? I'll be quick with my yellow.
Okay.
Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do like but this yellow is running out. We might need to get a new yellow.
Oh dear.
Yeah. So mine's like a cloud of yellow. That's what I'm going with. And I'm going to draw around.
Should we copy? In fact, can I already do my thing?
You can do whatever you like.
I have an idea. Ooh.
You can do whatever you like. Mine's a little cloud of yellow sunshine.
Done.
So we've done our first crazy thought creature, and we both did
absolutely crazy.
we both did happiness. And so we were thinking about happiness as we were doing it, and we were thinking about what brings us happiness, and we were kind of drawing them in, and yeah, you couldn't be happy all the time though, could you?
No.
That would be crazy, wouldn't it? Imagine if you were laughing all the time.
That would actually
It'd hurt your cheeks, wouldn't it?
Like, and then you'd be bored of laughing.
Yeah.
You'd just be sad when you're happy.
Right, okay, so that brings us to the next creature. So let's think of another emotion that we think is one that we have. We all have these emotions. So what's another one that pops up? Yeah.
Oh, these are the two basic ones: happiness and sadness.
Sadness. Should we have a go at sadness next?
Let's have a go.
So when we're thinking about sadness, it is still an important emotion, isn't it? And maybe, well, let's have a go at drawing it and see what comes up as we're drawing it, and then we can talk about it after. Let's go for it. Sadness. Have a go with us. Draw your sadness. It comes, it goes. You feel sad when it's here. But we can still be friends with it, can't we? Let's make it a crazy thought creature. Okay. Sadness. You could even call it a name, couldn't you? Let's go for it. So we've done our, go on.
We just did other ones.
We've done our little creatures, our sadness creatures. And mine is like a puddle that's all sad and dripping down, and it's got sadness at the bottom.
Mine's more crazy. It's got a puddle at the bottom, like hers, like Freckles, and it's also got like a little mounty thing. It's a hand. It's also got a thumbs down. It's got a cloud and lightning as legs. Thunder and lightning as legs. It's got a sad mouth. It's like roller skates as sad mouths. Like,
So we are thinking about sadness, but we're also thinking that sometimes it comes in and sometimes it goes out again, but it never stays, does it, for too long?
It's
Just like a
smooth.
storm, like your little storm in yours.
It never stays for long.
It doesn't stay, does it? It's just one of those things, it pops in and then eventually it'll pop back out again. The storm will pass. So what other creature, what other emotion?
We've done like the main basic ones.
Yeah, we've done kind of the opposites in a way, haven't we? Happiness and sadness. It's kind of like the opposites. But what should we do next? Should we do one that's a bit more... What?
Anger.
Anger.
I'm like
yeah,
the
like
thinking. I'm like the emotion thinking.
Yeah, so you go from nothing to something's really doing my head in.
I've just had a really good idea
Yeah. Go on.
of a creature.
You're going to do your... Hold it in and let it burst out onto the paper in a minute. Right, we're going to have a go at anger. You have a go at
I'll
anger.
have to go and go.
And then we'll see you in a minute. Okay.
See you
Bye.
in a minute. Bye. We've
So-
done our monsters.
Yeah,
Yes.
we've done our anger monsters now. Our little, well, they're kind of our crazy thought
Creatures.
creature, our anger creature.
Crazy fun creatures.
So I'll say about mine. I did mine a bit like electricity shock. You know, like lightning. I got inspiration from Isabel's lightning legs
You can see that.
on her sadness one, and I thought anger's a bit like when you feel it. It kind of is.
It explodes.
It
in
does,
the way.
it does, and you can feel
Like-
so out of control,
It's
can't
like
you, when you're in the
bubbles.
moment of
like
it?
Bubbles. Oh, it's
And
like
you can't contain it sometimes, and it's just going to
it's
explode
like,
out of
it's
you.
like pancakes that you're flipping and it's fallen on the floor, so it's escaped. It's like your temper pancake has escaped. It's like
Your temper pancake has escaped, and you're.
you need to eat it. You need to eat your temper pancake.
How about yours? Do you want to talk about yours?
Mine's very strong, so it goes. It constantly.
It is a
flinches.
strong emotion, though, isn't it? Because I think you can feel out of control when you're
There's
having
got
it.
fist as fists, another fist as another fist. As a body. So as a clothing, it goes. And at the top, his head is a fist, and his feet are fists too.
So they're all.
You might be wondering what this is, or you might have already got it. That's a rodent, or crap, because he's so strong. And so even when he tiptoes, he makes even more damage than when he stomps.
Because he stomps when he's angry.
And then when he tiptoes,
And breaks the road, is that strong? Yeah,
Like
how'd
a
you get
temper
out of it, Bells? How'd you get out of it?
I think
When you feel it coming over you,
I just dance and like.
dance your way out of it. Get really angry, I'm getting really angry.
Sometimes I like. Wait, like.
I have to sometimes just breathe.
That makes me even more angry.
Okay, I think we've done anger. I think that's a really good one. Can you think of another one? Let's think of another one. How about fear?
Oh, that's a really
Fear,
good.
being
Ooh,
scared.
I have one.
We're all definitely scared about that, aren't we? We all have moments of thinking, oh my gosh, I'm never going to be able to do this, maybe. I'm never going to be able to go there or do that. I don't know. What do you feel? There's all sorts of things you can feel fear about, isn't there?
Like, it's
Fear.
exactly like.
Oh.
It's like spiders. I don't know how I'm afraid of spiders, but
They're tiny.
somebody else is afraid of spiders that I know. The other special guest.
I am also scared. And I don't know why, because they're tiny and they're
know
not
they're tiny and
meaning
they're
to do
harmless.
anything.
But they look scary.
Yeah.
So everyone assumes that they look
But
scary.
maybe fear is our friend in a way. It's trying to help us because
trying to warn
say
us.
for instance that spider, maybe it was a poisonous spider. But they're not in this country and we have nothing to worry about. But our mind might say to us, hang on a minute, this could be something dangerous here. Let's just stop a minute And it does make you go, doesn't it, fear? And then think about it a little bit. Is this dangerous or isn't it dangerous? And then what we should think then is, no, it's not dangerous. No, it's not dangerous. And then no problem, and we can take it. But we don't, do we?
So
we still fear it.
A lot of people, this is something that lots of people do. I sometimes feel this as well. Some people are afraid of the dark.
Yes,
and
that's
they
a really
think, what about monsters? Monsters are not real.
No, let's have a little go. We're going to have a little go at fear. You could wait and see what we do to inspire you, or you could crack on and have a go yourself at your own fear, crazy thought creature. And then, yeah, we'll get together in a minute, shall we? Let's have a go. So we did ours. We did our fear ones. So do you want to talk through yours, Bells? Because you've got lots going on yours.
It's basically, that is me. And if you're thinking what that is, those little things, it shows me quivering. I'm like, I'm so scared.
Yeah.
And I'm running away. I don't like monsters or witches. And I'm thinking, I kind of stole hers, and I said I'm thinking of being small as well. I've got a spider there, I've got darkness. I don't really like the dark. Somebody else say, boo, behind my back. And I don't like people saying, shoo, I don't want you in my house anymore. Shoo, shoo, boo, shoo, boo.
Yeah.
Awesome. A little witch and monster. A little black cat jumping on and he's like, don't forget me, witch master.
So shall I talk about mine? I've done mine as a tiny little ball, because when I feel afraid, I sometimes just want to curl up in a little ball with a little blanket round me maybe and hide away. That's what fear makes me feel. But you know, you can, it comes and it goes, doesn't it, Bells? You can feel fear lots of times, even in one single day. And you can feel fear, and you can, fear comes and it goes and you overcome it. And what must you always remember, fear shouldn't stop you from doing things. Even though you feel fear, you can say, fear, I'm really pleased that you're looking out for me.
But
Thank you. I think yours look I could quite happily make friends with your characters on your fear one. And I'd say, hi everyone. We can feel fear, it's okay, but we don't really need it right now.
But they're too scary to do.
But you can chat with them, can't you? Make friends with your fear.
But now the witch will keep you.
I'm going to make friends with this little person. I'm going to make friends with my little person and say, do you know what, little person? We can get through this, it's all right. So we could do lots more of these, couldn't we? And we were thinking of some other kind of
Should we do
emotions.
A few more? Should we do like one more now?
Well, I think maybe we could do some and just show them in the top tips and let other people think about them. So other ones that we were thinking of was, go on.
Just putting out there before I forget this, click and subscribe, hit the bell, and what's the other one?
Yeah, if you like what we do, subscribe and like. You can't comment because it's a video for kids, and that's fair enough. So if you like it though and you subscribe it, then it means that our content gets pushed to the top. So well remembered, Isabel, well remembered. So some other emotions we were thinking of were loneliness. That's one that lots of people feel at different times, isn't it? Jealousy, that's a tricky one. That's a really tricky one. And disgust.
Surprise.
And surprise. So you could think about those. You could think about lots of others that you have. You could draw them in any way you like. So we're going to do some more and we will show you them in our top tips. And I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed it. And we've enjoyed it, haven't we, Bells?
Hit it.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it.
Hit it, hit it.
And we will see you another time for some more videos, yeah? See you soon.
Bye.